welcome to the Dividend Stock Screener by Stock Investor IQ. In this video, we'll guide you through using this powerful tool to identify stocks that pay consistent and growing dividends, helping you build a reliable stream of passive income. With coverage of over 25,000 global stocks, you can discover attractive dividend-paying opportunities from markets worldwide. To start, you can customize the screener settings to match your investment preferences. Use the drop-down menus to select the exchange region, sector, industry, and market capitalization range you're interested in. Let's select United States as the exchange region. The screener also covers various other regions across the world. You can also choose to screen stocks based on 5-year or 10-year growth rates. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use 10-year growth rates. Next, adjust the sliders to set your desired criteria for each metric. The default settings are Dividend Yield, greater than 3% per annum. Dividend per share growth, greater than 5% per annum. Payout Ratio, less than 75%. Return on Equity, greater than 10% per annum. Earnings per share growth, greater than 5% per annum. Free cash flow growth, greater than 5% per annum. Interest coverage ratio, greater than 10. Price earnings to growth ratio, less than 1.5. Discount to fair value using historical free cash flow growth, greater than 10%. These metrics help identify companies with attractive dividend yields, consistent dividend growth, sustainable payout ratios, strong profitability, and growth potential. The price earnings to growth ratio and discount to fair value metrics also help gauge whether the stock is undervalued relative to its dividend and growth prospects. Feel free to adjust the settings according to your own strategy. For example, let's change the price earnings to growth ratio to 2 to include a broader range of potential dividend stocks. You can either use the slider or type the number directly. For a refresher on these financial metrics, refer to our comprehensive stock investing glossary available on the website. After setting your criteria, the screener will display a list of stocks that meet your dividend requirements. The number of stocks found is displayed in the top right corner, along with a pie chart showing the sector composition of the results. By default, the results are sorted by market capitalization in US dollars, but you can easily sort by any other metric. For example, let's click on the dividend yield column header to sort the stocks based on their current dividend yield. Remember, the screener is just the first step in the dividend stock selection process. Once you've identified potential high-quality dividend stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence. Use our stock metrics page to access in-depth financial data and evaluate the sustainability of the company's dividend payments. So there you have it. The Dividend Stock Screener is a powerful tool for uncovering stocks that can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your own research before making any decisions. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out using the contact form on our website. Start your journey to building a robust dividend portfolio today at stockinvestoriq.com. If you found this Dividend Stock Screener tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable investing insights and tools.